Hi, in this video we will understand the different types of families used in Revit. In Revit, families are used to create and control elements inside a project, and family defines the shape, size, behavior and properties of Revit elements. If you want to learn Revit elements, click the I button on the top or the link is in the description. Revit mainly uses three types of families. One is system families, second loadable families, and the third one is in-place families. Let's understand them one by one. System families. System families are built into Revit by default. These families cannot be stored as a separate RFA file, which means they cannot be loaded separately or reused like a loadable families. System families are created directly inside the project environment and are mainly used for standard building elements. Loadable families. Loadable families are created as separate families and can be saved or stored as .rfa files. These families can be loaded, reused, and shared across different Revit projects. And loaded families are usually created using the family editor and are mainly used for reusable building components and equipments. And for example, this is a mechanical equipment. You can edit the family. You can go to insert tab and you can load a loadable family from the load family option, and you can search online the Autodesk library from the cloud, or you can also go to the home screen under families, go to the new, and you can create a new family type whichever you want. And the best example for loadable families are doors, windows, furnitures, mechanical equipment, lighting fixtures and plumbing fixtures, etc. So you can also create your own loadable families or download them from manufacturer website and online libraries as well. And the third one is in-place family. In-place families are custom families created directly inside a specific Revit project. These families are not usually stored as a separate RFA file and are mainly used only for the current project. In-place families are best used for unique or special custom elements that are not available as standard families. For example, if any of the custom families is not available under Autodesk library or in the cloud and you want to create your own, then go to Architectural tab under Components, Model in Place. So you can create your own unique component to the project. Best example are customs reception desk, special architectural feature, unique structural shape, custom decorative elements, etc. So these are the three main types of Revit families: system families, loadable families, and in-place families. Understanding these family types is very important because families form the foundation of Revit modeling and BIM workflow. Hope you really like the video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up in the comment. Thank you. See you on next video. Bye.